Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Affectionately referred to as a PSL, a pumpkin spice latte tastes like fall in a cup and feels like a warm hug for your soul. It's a cozy mouthful of spices that's sweet, but not too sweet. Okay, so, it's admittedly very sweet. Regardless, it's your go-to coffee drink as soon as it's back on the menu.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Starbucks officially announced the 2021 return of its pumpkin spice latte. You may remember earlier this month when we reported on speculation as to when Starbucks's pumpkin spice latte, PSL, would be making its coveted return to stores. Well, the rumors were true. As of August 24th, PSL season is officially here.
Let's help you make your mark.
Pumpkin spice latte create your cozy. When it comes to fall drinks at Starbucks, the pumpkin spice latte is the GOAT. Made with pumpkin spice syrup, espresso, and the steamed milk of your choice, the PSL is iconic for a reason.
Let's help you make your mark.
It's less sweet, tastes more like coffee and certainly doesn't have a mountain of whipped cream on top. Instead of an aggressive pumpkin spice flavor, the drink tastes more like a mild cup of coffee with vanilla syrup and notes of the cinnamon, nutmeg and clove, and a hint of fruity pumpkin.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Pumpkin spice coffee order. Grande blonde coffee with 1 pump pumpkin sauce, 2 pumps sugar-free vanilla, and light splash of half and half. You can add Splenda for a little sweeter taste with no additional calories.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.